Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play Sons of the Forest smoothly on a low-end PC. First, let's get your system ready. Begin by updating your graphics drivers to their newest version. Then, close all unnecessary background applications running on your computer. Make sure your operating system is fully updated for optimal performance. Finally, adjust the in-game graphics settings to their absolute lowest options before starting the game. Now, let's dive into the game's specific graphics settings. For a major boost, set your display resolution to 720 pixels or even lower. Completely disable demanding visual effects like shadows, reflections, and ambient occlusion. Also, reduce the draw distance and foliage density to their absolute minimums. Turning off VSync and motion blur can further improve your frame rates and overall responsiveness. Beyond in-game settings, some system-level optimizations can make a big difference. If possible, install the game on a solid-state drive for much faster loading times. Consider increasing your virtual memory, also known as the page file, to supplement your physical RAM. For advanced users, cautiously overclocking your CPU or GPU might yield extra frames. Always ensure your PC is clean and well ventilated to avoid overheating. For those seeking every last frame, some advanced tweaks are available. You might explore third-party optimization tools, but always proceed with caution. Reducing texture quality significantly can free up valuable video memory, which is crucial for low-end systems. Remember, you will need to accept some visual compromises to achieve playable frame rates. Finally, consistently monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures to ensure stable performance during your gameplay sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.